Hello everyone, welcome to TradeXbulls. I hope you all are doing well, and today we are back with another short-term video with the stocks that are in our watch list for this week. But before going ahead, please pause the video and read this disclaimer. This is not a buying or selling recommendation. This is purely for educational purpose. Please contact your financial advisor before investing. Now, before getting into the video, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, please join our Telegram channel. It is free for all and you will get all the stock market related updates over there, and over there we have daily Q&As where you can ask your queries to us and we will answer them to the best of our abilities. One more request to you all, if you're loving our video, please make sure you show us your love by clicking on the like button. Let's aim for 50 likes on this video as well. And watch the video till the end, don't skip, because at the end of the video I have a very important thing to say. So please don't skip the video, otherwise you will miss something. Now let's go into the first stock for the day. So our first stock for today is Indiabull Housing Finance, and this is its daily chart. The stock is showing good signs of reversal and we have traded in intraday on the last trading session and made a good profit, but it is still looking very strong for the short term. As we can see on the charts, the stock is showing a double bottom kind of a formation, which is a clear sign of reversal. Also, it has given a breakout over the trend line, which was acting as a resistance for it. Also, we can clearly see the huge volume bar on the last trading sessions, which is giving a more positive side to this reversal. So this trade going forward is looking very good to us. Now let's move to the weekly chart and see what's happening over there. In the weekly chart, we can see a falling wedge kind of a pattern, and the weekly candle has managed to give closing above the trend line, which is a very positive side for the stock. And we can see a very big volume bar in the weekly chart as well, which shows that the buyers are interested in buying the stock in this reversal. Now let's quickly see the entry and the target levels for Indiabull Housing Finance. Now because this is a reversal trade, we will not buy huge quantity or we will not buy all the quantities at once. We will enter in this stock above 254 for the targets of 280 and 300 in the short term. And we will average or add more if the stock falls down to 200 levels. The time frame for this trade will be 3 weeks to 2 months. Now let's move to our second stock for the day. So our second stock for the day is Kopran, which is in the pharmaceutical sector. And as you know, the pharma sector has been in a boom recently because of the rising COVID cases and such. So that's why it is in our radar and it is looking very good on the charts. I will tell you why. So this is the daily chart of Kopran, and Kopran is heading towards a multi-year breakout. As you can see, this line drawn has been acting as a resistance for Kopran, but Kopran has managed to break it in the last trading session and managed to give a closing above it. Now let's go on to the weekly chart and see if it is telling the same story. And in the weekly chart, the stock has managed to give a closing above the resistance level. That is why it is looking very good to us, and it is a multi-time frame breakout. Stock has potential to give good targets in the short term. And with pharma sector having a good move, it will add another positive side to this trade. Now let's see the entry and target levels for Kopran. So this trend line over here is acting as support for the stock. Also this horizontal line over there will act support for the stock if the stock falls down to those levels. The risk to reward ratio over here is very favorable. Again saying, due to market conditions being negative, we will not take any huge quantity entry in any stocks. We will enter Kopran above 270 for the targets of 286 and 300 in the short term. We will add more if the stock falls down to 195 levels. Our holding time period will be 3 weeks to 2 months for short term, and for mid term you can hold it for 6 months for much higher targets. Now let's move to the final stock for today. So the final stock for today is Wellspun Corp. This stock has been in our radar for some times now. And the reason for that is the stock has shown incredible strength in the falling market. You can see that the stock has given a breakout above this resistance level and managed to sustain over it when the index was falling like anything on the last trading session. We can see huge volume bars that shows that buyers are very much interested to buy this stock even at a higher price, and we can see that there is a demand created in this stock, and as we know, when demand of something increases, its price goes up if there are not sufficient supply. So welcorp to me is looking very good on the charts for next week. Now let's see its entry and target levels real quick. So we will enter this stock above 167 for the targets of 179 and 187 in the short term. We will average or add more if the stock comes down to 140 levels. And our time frame will be 3 weeks to 2 months. So those were the 3 stocks we have today. Also, I told everyone to watch the video till the end because I had something important to say. So that is, apart from these 3 stocks, there was one more stock which was very close to make it into the video but couldn't, but still is looking very good to us in the charts. So we will post that stock with detailed levels in the community section of YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and check the community tab. And we will also update about it in our Telegram group. So if you haven't joined our Telegram group, please click the link in the description down below and join our Telegram group. Now it's time for the quote of the day. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin. So what this quote means is that you have to learn first before you start earning. So it's very simple. First you learn and then you take the L out of it and you start earning, which is one of our motto in TradeXbulls. So you have to develop a skill like trading or investing, and you have to read books, watch videos, keep practicing, keep learning new things about the skill every day, and then and only then you will be seeing results in the long term. So that was it for this video. Also, don't forget to check out our sectorial analysis video which will be dropping very soon. It will contain Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the next week. So see you all in the next one. Keep learning, keep earning.